Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Hoya and Me channel. Today we are making breakfast, Somali tea and French toast. I've got 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of water here for my tea. I'm using that because it has got sieve over here, but I won't put on until the tea boils. I've got cinnamon and cardamom here and fresh ginger. I've got 2 bags of tea and sugar according to your taste. For the French toast, I've got bread, sugar and vanilla, milk and 2 eggs and a pinch of salt. I'm adding my spices. And the sugar. For the French toast, we have got eggs here and a pinch of salt. We will add the sugar and the vanilla into it and the milk. Then we'll prepare. I've got some butter in there and a little bit of oil. I've mixed the batter. My toast is ready. I'll mix a little bit of my you have to turn the other side so that it cooks properly on both sides. Our toast is ready. Both sides are cooked. Okay, my tea is boiling now, so I'll add my tea bags. I have to mix a little bit. My tea is ready. I'll use my lid to sieve the spices. We're also making butter toast. That's a toast I just put on butter on both sides. Then we turn the other side. Our toast is ready. Our toast is ready.